So hilariously, my relationship with Dr. Zapata as a patient preceded Emerald City Spinal. We were patients of hers back in Ballard, and we watched her open this business, cheered her on as it converted to Emerald City Spinal Care. We were just partners in crime, if you will. So prior to chiropractic care, I had very tight neck and shoulders from a desk job and just the way I hold my stress. I had migraines fairly regularly. I still have migraines fairly regularly. However, through a now 2-decade course of care, I call it preventative maintenance. It is coming in, it is helping the whole structure move a little bit more fluidly. Since knowing Dr. Zapata, we were just reflecting on this. I've had 3 children. My oldest is 13, my middle is 12, my youngest is 8. And next week we will all come in for care because it is a solid preventative maintenance, helps everyone move better, function better, and go about their lives in a more comfortable way.